Receive your Wizard Staff Topper, you'll receive a kit of parts wrapped up in bubble wrap, and these are the parts you'll have inside. You'll have the main body here with the insert, the 3-finger pieces, and the translucent crystal piece. Now you can unscrew these screws by hand, but put them back in with a screwdriver. And inside you'll find the battery clip and the switch and the LED. So you want to take your batteries, put it in the battery clip. The switch turns on the LED. Then slip that insert into the main body, and the screw holes line up, and that's where you put the screws when you're ready to have your final assembly. And then the translucent part goes right there on top. Alright, the finger pieces go on the side like so. Now everything is left in separate pieces so that you can paint this to your liking. So that's how it looks. You need to paint the parts yourself, and then when you're done painting, and make sure you don't paint the interface between the pieces, because that's where the glue goes. And you need to use a lot of super glue on these joints. You will also need to super glue the underside of this translucent part so that it glues inside of this insert. And that, again, that allows you to paint the pieces separately and not have to do any extra masking. So there you go.